Hey everyone, in this section we'll examine Boolean type variables, or we call bool instead of Boolean type. It comes from Boolean math and represents binary systems. Its logic is very simple. You can think of it like turning on a lamp in a room. We turn the lamp on or off with the help of a switch. We can evaluate it as true. When the lamp is on, they are represented as 1 in the hexadecimal system. You can define it by placing a colon, but when you type true, it will define automatically. Again, false if it is off, and they are represented as 0 in the hexadecimal system. You can find this information by searching for Boolean type from rastupdoc. In generally, we use it in control flow, but don't just think of control flow that way. In programming, we can ask true or false questions. For example, is the variable x greater than y? We do this with the help of comparison operators. We'll see that in the next video.